Welcome back to Melodic Art. This is Mikki, and today I'm doing another very small unboxing by Rivervale Watercolor. This is Elizabeth Comer's Etsy site, and she makes all sorts of things, but her focus on her Etsy looks like is mainly handmade watercolors. She likes to use natural pigments and more of a honey-based binder in her watercolors. And this particular one I saw because I follow her on Instagram is a gemstone paint, and it's called Cellodonite Cold, which is the cool version of this pigment. So let's go ahead and open and see what we've got. Try to open this without too much hassle. So looks like we got little wrapped bit here, and I got a little little thank you on the slip, and this pan is $12. The shipping was $13. The total's $15 for this guy. This little Cellodonite is made with the pigment PG23. Excellent light fastness. Definitely smells some clove oil, I think. Or maybe some cigarettes. I don't know. Smells like either. Oh, she's got a magnet on the bottom. That's nice. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And this is kind of a jade green color. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So apparently it is excellent light fastness, heavy granulation, and semi-translucent. So that sounds really exciting to me because, you know, if you follow me, you know I like granulation. And kind of that's why I went for this. Because I really enjoy earthy kind of, well, I don't know, I guess I do. I like every color, but when it comes to more rich, grainy colors, I really enjoy them. So this may take a couple glazes to build up some color. What do you think so far? I think I probably should have sprayed it first. It's a beautiful color. This kind of reminds me of Terra Verte, which it might be. I am seeing some of the granulation come through. So while this is soaking, let me just see if I can come up with some more. It's really soaking up that water. You can see it sucking right up. Let's see. So she hand melts them the old-fashioned way on glass slab from pure pigment and natural honey-based watercolor medium. No fillers or additives are ever used. I do smell clove though, definitely. The pans are filled to the top at least twice during pouring, and some colors are prone to slight cracking in the pan. So yeah, that's what I'm getting here. A little bit of cracking, but you know, that's to be expected. There we go. We're getting a little bit more color here. So I guess when it comes to a natural gemstone pigment, it really needs a lot of water. trying to get some of that granulation going. Really pretty though. While it's wet, I'm gonna see what it looks like with a little bit of this, a little bit of that, some yellow. So you can get a little bit of some muted colors here. But it's really pretty. So this is almost like a gray-green that can be used to mute any color in your primary range. So, well, there you have it. I think I'm going to try to do a little sketch with this, maybe a little tree scene, and I'll see you at the end of that. Okay, I'm back with this results, and as you can see, I kind of went crazy with this color. There's a heck of a lot of granulation in this paint, which I really enjoy, and I'm not giving it the best image in order to show this stuff off. Number one, this paper is too small. It's like, yeah, it's like 4 by 6 or something. And I literally, it's pretty much just a wash of green. Everything's all muted and dull. But I mean, this kind of shows you the range that it can mix. We got some golds and some darks, and this spattering is just this pigment alone. But it's pretty translucent, and you really would have to build up a ton of layer to get a really dark color. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I guess apparently it's a gemstone painting, so you're going to have that. What I was really mainly going for was the granulation, and this paper is so granulated now, it feels like sandpaper. So, yeah, give it a shot. I mean, I would try anything, you know, just to see what the paint would do, and this seemed like a really beautiful color to mess around with. So yeah, I'm glad I did take a chance on it. All right, well, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one.